Here's what to expect when you take your TOEFL IBT test at the test center on the computer. When you arrive, you will present your identification at the reception area. You will be asked to store all of your personal items except for your ID. When you are called for check-in, the Test Center Administrator, or TCA, will verify your ID. The TCA will then conduct a routine security inspection to confirm that you do not have any prohibited items. Next, you will have your photo taken. And you may also be required to provide a voice sample. Then you will read and sign a confidentiality agreement. The TCA will review the rules and procedures for the test and answer any questions. You will receive scratch paper and pencils to take notes. You can request more during the test if you need it. Then you will be escorted to your test station. The testing room is closely monitored for security purposes. On your screen, you will see your personal information and your photo. Follow the directions to move through this section. Next, you will be asked to do a microphone check. Put on your headset and follow the directions to speak into the microphone. Now you can begin your test. As you work through the test, follow the directions for each section. You can click Help to get tips for navigating the test. A clock at the top of the screen shows the time remaining in each section. If you find it distracting, you can hide it. The first two sections are reading and listening. For these sections, you will select your answers on the screen. Next is the speaking section. Be sure to position your microphone like it was during the microphone check when you speak your responses. The last section is writing, where you will type your responses on the computer. At the end of the test, your reading and listening sections are scored instantly. These unofficial scores can give you an idea of how you did on the test. You will also be given the date you can expect to receive your official scores. Then, you will be asked if you want to report or cancel your scores. If you choose to cancel your scores, your test will not be scored and you will not receive a score report or a refund. When you're done, bring everything back to the check-in area and retrieve your personal belongings. Now go out and enjoy the rest of your day.